Here's the target sum puzzle. Given 5 ones, how many plus minus assignments add up to 3? If you try them out, the answer is 5. That count is the clue. The input is an array of non-negative numbers and a target S. Put either a plus or a minus in front of every number. Count how many signed expressions evaluate exactly to S. For 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and S equals 3, every valid expression negates exactly one of the 5 ones. That gives us 5 different sign assignments, so the answer is a 5. Now comes the recognition move. Every sign assignment secretly splits the numbers into 2 groups, the positive set P and the negative set N. Once you see that split, the story changes. Those 2 groups give us 2 equations. P plus N equals the total sum and P minus N equals S. Subtract them, isolate N, and the negative group must sum to total minus S over 2. So target sum is not asking for a brand new dynamic program. It reduces directly to count subset sum k. We just count how many subsets reach total minus S over 2, then reuse that exact counter. Before you run the counter, do 2 guards. First, total must be at least the absolute value of S. Second, total minus S has to be even. If either check fails, the answer is simply 0. The implementation becomes short. Compute total. Run the 2 guards. Set target to total minus S over 2. Then call the count subsets sum k routine on nums and that target. No sign-based dynamic program is necessary. The complexity comes along for free from count subsets sum k. Time is big O of n times total, and space can be reduced to big O of total with a rolling one-dimensional dynamic programming array. 3 pitfalls show up again and again. Forgetting the parity check, mishandling negative S in the guard, and the biggest mistake, rederiving a plus-minus dynamic program instead of recognizing the subset reduction. That is the big takeaway. 2 problems can look completely different on the surface, yet share the same dynamic program underneath. The story is decoration. The reduction is the substance. Once you recognize this family of index and target problems, the next variants get easier. Boolean versions ask, can we hit the target? Counting versions ask, how many ways? Thank you for watching.